From every $100 earned, the average American saves a $5 slice, while a Chinese household saves 36. This multi-generational trend has averaged a 46% savings rate since 1952 and peaked at 50% in 2008. To see how those statistics play out in real life, look at Wang Xinai. For 9 years, this 32-year-old woman has saved 90% of her salary, living strictly on the remaining 10%. That discipline allowed her to purchase 2 apartments outright in Nanjing, a city with some of the most expensive real estate in the country. When Wang shared her story online, it generated 500 million views, sparking a massive societal debate over whether her extreme methods are a model to follow or an impossible standard. This raises a question for anyone struggling to save. Are these results the product of a cultural anomaly or a systematic formula that Westerners are simply ignoring? At the individual level, this system often begins with the 10-to-1 rule. The baseline target is clear. For every $10 earned, the goal is to spend only 1, leaving the other 9 for the bank. Aiming for a 90% savings rate provides a significant psychological buffer. Even for those who fall short and save only 50%, they remain in a dominant financial position compared to the Western average. The operational mechanism is zero-based budgeting. Every dollar of monthly income is assigned a specific job before the month begins. In this model, savings is a mandatory top-tier expense. It is paid first, rather than a remnant left over after bills and entertainment. Paying yourself first creates a systemic defense against lifestyle inflation. When a worker receives a raise, the extra income is captured by the savings category before they can adjust their spending to match the new salary. These aggressive individual tactics are necessary responses to a lack of a national social safety net. Without government-guaranteed retirement or universal health care, families must provide their own security. This environment changes the definition of an emergency fund. It isn't a financial buffer, it's survival insurance against medical costs that could bankrupt a family. Demographics also play a role. The one-child policy created a significant gender imbalance, resulting in roughly 22 extra men for every 100 women. This imbalance triggered a savings arms race. Property ownership and liquid wealth became absolute prerequisites for men entering the marriage market, forcing an entire generation to become hyper-focused savers. This logic extends to a child's education. Families view tutoring and language classes as high-yield financial assets, calculating that the investment today will compound into significantly higher lifetime earnings for the next generation. These high savings rates are a logical, systemic adaptation to intense socioeconomic and demographic survival pressures. To fight the decision fatigue that comes with aggressive saving, families use rigid, automated routines. Shopping at the same stores for the same brands eliminates the daily willpower tests that lead to impulse purchases. There is also radical transparency within the home. Parents share exact budget spreadsheets and long-term goals with the entire family, involving children in the process. This contrasts with Western cultural taboos, where financial stress and budget realities are often hidden from children and spouses, leading to uncertainty and friction. The cultural concept of social reputation, or FACE, incentivizes this system. In this context, being known for smart financial decisions and frugality carries more social weight than displaying wealth through luxury purchases. Financial transparency and social reinforcement make saving a team-based family project rather than a solitary restriction. This system relies on a psychological inversion. While American consumerism often frames saving as a punishment or lifestyle restriction, Chinese culture treats capital retention as a mechanism of power and personal security. Capturing the benefits of this system does not require adopting an extreme 90%